1. Helps reverse tooth decay and heal gums. Cayenne pepper has antimicrobial properties that can kill bacteria causing tooth decay. It improves blood circulation in the gums, promoting healing and preventing receding gums. 2. Stops cluster headaches and migraines. The capsaicin in cayenne blocks the neurotransmitter substance P, which transmits pain signals. It's even used in nasal sprays for instant migraine relief. 3. Boosts stem cell production. Tissue regeneration. Cayenne has been found to stimulate stem cell production in bone marrow, aiding in tissue repair and regeneration. 4. Prevents altitude sickness. It increases oxygen absorption in the blood, reducing symptoms like dizziness and nausea when at high altitudes. 5. Neutralizes food poisoning symptoms. The antibacterial properties help kill pathogens like E. coli and Salmonella. It also soothes stomach cramps and nausea caused by foodborne bacteria. 6. Breaks down blood clots. Stroke prevention. Works as a natural blood thinner, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes by breaking down existing clots. 7. Improves voice, quality, and vocal cord health, often used by singers to reduce vocal cord swelling and enhance voice clarity. 8. Enhances nutrient absorption. It increases gut permeability, allowing better absorption of vitamins and minerals from food.